In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a realistic light leak overlay effect to give your footage a cinematic film style look. Light leaks simulate the glow that appears in vintage cameras when light enters the film chamber, and they add warmth and visual interest to your video. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for light leaks. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. To start with the color spectrum option, you can choose full spectrum for colorful light leaks or pick a specific color style depending on the look you want. Next, adjust the pattern value. This controls the style and structure of the light streaks. Try different values to see different leak patterns. Next, adjust the position value. This lets you move the light leak across the frame so it appears from the side or corner of the screen. Now increase the feather setting. Feather softens the edges of the light leaks so they blend naturally with your footage. You can also adjust strike amount and spot amount to add extra streaks and highlights. Next, adjust diffraction and softness to make the light feel more cinematic and less harsh. If the colors feel too strong, reduce the saturation value. Finally, check the blend mode setting. Setting it to screen helps the light leaks blend naturally with your footage. Go play the video and fine-tune the settings until the light leaks move smoothly across the frame. And that's it. You've successfully created a realistic light leak overlay effect using the light leaks effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.